very good morning to everyone. So today is 2nd June 2023. Day is Friday. Let's begin with the current affairs. Number 1. For the first time, which state is all set to host international men's football tournament? The answer is Odisha. Number 2 is Mumbai's Bandra Versova Sea Link Bridge will be named after whom? The answer is V.D. Savarkar. Number 3 is recently who took the oath of office and secrecy as a member of UPSC? The answer is Suman Sharma. यहाँ पर ऑटो एरर से स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो गया, उसे आप करेक्ट कर लीजिएगा. Number 4 is which company launches a bonds platform for retail investors in India? The answer is Paytm Money. Number 5, who is appointed as WHO Goodwill Ambassadors for Arts and Health? The answer is Renee Fleming and Pretty Yende. Number 6 is which country will host Quad Summit in 2024? The answer is India. Number 7, which Indian supercomputer secured 75th rank in top 500 global supercomputing list? The answer is Eravat. Number 8 is name the scheme recently launched by Maharashtra government. The answer is Namo Shetkari Mahasamman Yojana. Number 9, who has taken charge as SAIL chairman? The answer is Amrendu Prakash और इनकी भी डिटेल्स यहाँ पर मेंशन है. Who has taken charge as MD of SECI? Answer is Ajay Yadav, and SECI here stands for Solar Energy Corporation of India Limited. And the last current affair of the day is who has become the MD of UCO Bank? The answer is Ashwani Kumar और इनकी डिटेल्स भी यहाँ पर मेंशन कर दी गई है, तो आप अच्छे से देख लीजिएगा. Moving to headlines of the day from the Hindu. Number 1 is Maharashtra government launched Namo Shetkari Mahasamman Yojana. Number 2, Ajay Yadav takes charge as MD of SECI. Number 3 is Government of India appoints Ashwani Kumar as MD of UCO Bank. Razorpay launches Turbo UPI for seamless one-step payments to online merchants. Government plans to sell up to 3% stake in Coal India. India's GDP growth accelerates to 6.1% in fourth quarter 2022 to 23, propelling economy to $3.3 trillion. Center meets financial year 23 fiscal deficit target of 6.4% of GDP. India approves world's largest food storage scheme in cooperative sector, investing rupees 1 lakh crore. Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana revolutionizing healthcare access in India. India-EU connectivity conference to be organized in Meghalaya from June 1. BRICS foreign ministers meeting starts in Cape Town. Local currency trade likely on agenda. इसके अलावा ग्लोबल डे ऑफ पेरेंट्स और वर्ल्ड मिल्क डे के बारे में मैंने कल डिटेल्स मेंशन कर दी थी. एंड लास्ट वन इज नोटेड संस्कृत स्कॉलर वेद कुमारी घई पासेस अवे. सो दीज आर दी हेडलाइंस फ्रॉम द हिंदू. एंड इसके अलावा जो एक डिफरेंट चीज़ होती है, तो आज मैंने शेयर किया है विटामिन्स के बारे में या वाइटामिन्स के बारे में, वो आप देख लेंगे. क्या केमिकल नेम होता है, ईयर ऑफ डिस्कवरी क्या है और फूड सोर्सेज क्या क्या हैं. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट टुडे. थैंक यू.